Okay guys, so a top tip for you. If you've got like a beautiful old classic car like this particular seat here from a Riley Pathfinder that you can clearly see has got quite a fair bit of cracking on here, and it's quite severe as this cracking, so you've got to be very careful because it's all over the seat. When you sort of pan along here, you can see it literally all along, and you come along and it's just literally all along. So you've got to be very careful of this. Brushes are okay to use to clean leather where it's not got any damage on it. So a top tip with these is to avoid using a brush on here and maybe causing some further sort of damage to the actual leather itself and lifting the coating further, is use a foam if you can. Work the foam in and just let the foam work into the actual leather. That way you're not going to be really causing any great harm, and you can just literally wipe that over the surface like so and just keep that sort of foam going. And just, you can sort of see the sort of how the foam works. It's a great mousse cleaner, and just keep that going over the surface, and that's not going to cause any harm to that coating whatsoever. And then you can just simply wipe away any dirt residue on the surface again, very, very gently, using a natural bamboo fibre pad. Just a great top tip. Be careful when you're cleaning classic car interiors. You don't want to lift this painted coating on the surface. LRC 6 leather mousse cleaner with a foam applicator pad and a bamboo fibre cloth is all you need. Thank you very much.